Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a Sephora haul. I actually have a trip coming up, a weekend trip with my husband and the girls. So I did do a little bit of shopping. Some of it was to take with me on the trip and some of it was just because there are so many fun new releases at Sephora and I had my eye on a few things. So I did a little haul before the sale, which I was trying to hold off until the sale, but I needed to try these products. So if you want to see all of the products that I picked up in this haul, which I also picked up 2 travel size fragrances. Hopefully I get lucky with those. If you're interested, just keep on watching. So let's dig right into this bag because I have 20 minutes to get out of this house and go pick up my girls so that I can come back and start packing like a crazy maniac because I always leave everything for last minute. So we're leaving tomorrow at 4 in the morning and I have not even started anything because I've been doing so many other things. But let's just get into this haul. So this right now is completely empty because I gave one to my daughter and I have one upstairs. We have not bought this because the frizz here in Arizona is not as bad, but we have noticed that we miss it. This is the Color Wow Iconic Frizz Fighters and this is the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. And I love when the holiday season comes around because they have these two for $28. So I give my daughter the little bottle. This lasts us for months and months because we just use this once every few washes and it really does keep the frizz away. I did my hair this morning and my hair, I haven't done a keratin treatment, so my hair is already starting to get curly quicker and I already noticed a difference in the way that my hair is laying because of this product. So this is a product that I think I've been talking about since forever on my channel and I had to stock up on this. I love this set. So if you like this product or if you've never tried it, I definitely suggest this set right here because it is definitely worth it. So I do have a few PR products in here as well that were sent to me by the brand. I always let you guys know which ones I purchased myself, which ones were sent over to me by the brand, but I like to include them in a haul because this is just like a what's new at Sephora type of video and just talking about all of the products that are available at the moment, new launches, new formulas. It's always a lot of fun. So Merit reached out. I think I'm on their PR list now, but they did reach out and they sent over these 2 products right here, which I have not used this, but this right here, this is what I have on my lips today and I was pleasantly surprised because I know that Merit is more of like a clean girl beauty vibe. It's very minimal makeup, very natural, which today I did go for a more like everyday type of makeup. This is what I would go out with. If I was going out, when I do my makeup more like creatively, it's usually for my videos. But if I'm going out to eat, if I'm going out with family or something, I just make sure to put a really good mascara, fix my brows, put a little bit of bronzer and blush, set it with some powder and have a nice lip and I'm good with that. And this set right here, OMG, it is so good. This is the Archival set and it is a limited edition set of 3 lip essentials inspired by our best-selling Flush Balm shade. So you have a signature lip sheer lip liner, a shade Slick Sheen, and a signature lip blush. So here is how it looks. Look how beautiful. Even as a Christmas gift, I would like to give this to someone for Christmas. It's just so pretty and classy looking. And you guys, this shade right here, just everything about this. I can't take out the lip liner because my nails won't let me, but I think I did have a lipstick from Merit, but I didn't really wear it. This formula is very different from any lipstick I have tried. It like blurred my lips and almost looked like a cushion type of lipstick, which I really love. And then on top of it, I put this right here, which has like this pink shade, but I don't know if you can see like the little shimmers that are in it. So gorgeous. And it just gives you like this perfect everyday lip. Like I feel like for fall, this is really pretty. Thank you so much, Merit, for sending this over because this is going to become like a favorite for me. And then we have the mini blush balm trio. So this brings 3 of the blush balms. I actually have 1 blush balm in full size, which I really like for fall time. So I'm very, very excited to get into these shades. These are like little mini blushes. They are so adorable. I love watching haul videos for that reason. So I can see how a product looks, the shades that come in it swatched. I love all that. So here we have Redux or Redux. It is a beautiful, warm, this for fall time. I need to try this. It's so beautiful. Postmodern, which is even darker, like a brick shade. Ooh, that is pretty too. And they're very sheer, so they might look scary when you look at it like this, but you can tell that this is going to be a very easy to wear formula. Even if the shade is dark, it's just going to give you this wash. Ooh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. So then we have Le Bonbon, and this one is a very playful, flirty pink. So this is like the perfect set. You have some beautiful shades for fall and for winter, and then you also have like a very bright type of shade for when you just want to have more extra pop of color. So these, I am so excited to get into these. I'm gonna do looks using these for sure, and I do want to do another try new makeup with me video, so I think I might have enough to do a full face. So when I come back from my trip, I'll film that. Ooh, let's try some perfumes. If they smell good, I will take them with me on the trip, but I don't know. This is Jimmy Choo, I Want Choo with Love. I'm not going to get into notes or anything today. I am so rushing that it's not good, but hey, for sure I'll get into these more in detail. But I do want to give it a little spray. Ooh. This is so pretty. This is exactly like what I've been wanting. I've been wanting new perfumes in my collection that make me feel pretty. We'll see how it wears. I don't like to judge things right off the bat, but first impression, wow. So feminine, flirty, pretty. We just have to see how that, it's getting like really musky. So we will see how that dries down. Very feminine, and first impression, I'm loving it. When I come back from the trip, I will do like a actual review. And then here's another one that I was very curious about. This is Dolce & Gabbana My Devotion. So this is another one that I'm gonna pack with me and see how they work for me. But wow, what a pretty travel size bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this one on this side. Really? That's it? Maybe she needs some time. I feel like it's a little very soft. I mean, it smells nice, but I don't know if it's anything that's kind of like wowing me. You never know, because sometimes those end up being the favorites, but I don't know. It's giving me a little like simple vibes, but pretty. All right, I had to take a quick break to go get my girls from school because I didn't have enough time. So let's go ahead and let's finish up this haul. I feel like I'm all over the place today. I am so sorry. Let's see. I left off, I think, with this Makeup Forever blush stick, and this is the Artist Color Crayon, and this is in the shade Daring Pink. Sorry if you guys hear background noise. My girls are home from school. So I've been seeing this beautiful blush stick everywhere on social media, and I've just been wanting it, even though I'm sure I have maybe like 5 blushes that are similar to this, but it just caught my attention. And I will say I used it today. It's the blush that I have on today. I did top it off with a powder, but it is not as intense as I thought it was going to be, which is a good thing, because I mean, when you put it on, you think it's going to be crazy, but it blends into the skin so effortlessly. It kind of like turns one with your skin. I had no problem with this blush, and I'm pretty sure you can build it up, but if you just want like a little wash of pink, it's perfect. Even though it is a stick blush, it's a cream formula, it is very thin and very easy to blend out. So definitely recommend this. I also picked up another foundation, and this one is from Natasha Denona. This is the High Glam foundation. So we have the High Glam concealer, and it is one of my favorite concealers. Full coverage. It's moisturizing under the eyes. It doesn't get cakey or dry or anything. So now we have the foundation, and this is a hydrating and blurring longwear radiant serum foundation. I got it in the shade N7, and this is developed with Japanese amino acid biomimetic pigments, Korean technology, formulated by Natasha, and it is in Korean and Italian labs. So it's supposed to be creaseless, blurring, long lasting, and a lightweight formula. It is a radiant foundation for all skin types. So I'm very excited about this. So this one as well. So here is the packaging for this foundation, and I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch the shade just to see if I got a good shade. But I do want to take these makeup products with me. That's why I wanted to do this haul today, so that I could take them with me. But I think that is a good shade match. I can always warm it up with bronzer, so that's perfect. I prefer a little bit of a lighter foundation than darker. So very excited to try this one out next from Makeup by Mario. I am also so excited for this. This was the main reason why I placed this order. I just can't seem to just get one thing and check out. Every time that I'm gonna buy something from Sephora, I'm like, what else can I add to the cart? What else do I need? So this is what I really had to get, and I've been watching reviews and I'm kind of scared. I don't know if this is going to be as good as I was anticipating it to be, but this is the Ethereal Eyes Nature palette. So I do have the other two palettes. I love them. The shimmers are so delicate and beautiful. So when I saw the green in this palette, I fell in love and I needed to have it. Oh my god, and that green shade, the pigments inside of it are so pretty. I have to find a way to make that work because it literally has blue shimmers in the green, like an olive green shadow. So here are the colors. Those are the shimmer shades. This is gorgeous for just a classic eye makeup, and even lighter one here. It's really pretty. Let's do a really quick swatch of the green one. I mean, it's gorgeous. It is really pretty. It's very thin in texture. I'm pretty sure that those little blue shimmers that I'm talking about are not even going to come up, but they're in there. They're gorgeous. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I don't think I've ever had a green eyeshadow that had that like it's like a reflect of like a light sky blue, or like a it's so pretty. Okay, so it's pretty. It's pretty. Maybe people were expecting the shimmers to be more shimmery, but I'm excited to play with this one. Once I come back next week and I'm ready to get back into the routine, I am going to do a full face of makeup for YouTube. So I'm going to use a lot of these products so that you guys can see how they apply. Just wanted to get the haul out of the way. I also picked up a brush from Patrick Ta because I just couldn't help myself. This is the foundation brush that was released not too long ago, and I think it was not too long ago. And literally how I open everything, because I will break it if I don't use something. Okay, so this brush right here I thought was so cool because I am always pumping the foundation to the back of my hand and applying it with my fingers, but this brush right here just looks like it's perfect for foundation. And I've been really liking to just have dual-ended brushes because you can literally do 2 steps with one brush. This caught my attention because of this part right here. So you can paint the foundation on, which is so good. Like, let's say you have a little bit of foundation on your hand, you pick it up and you're going to drag it down, and then with this side here you can press it into the skin. So it's like a perfect foundation brush. I hope that it works the way that I'm imagining. So I'm probably gonna do like makeup like this because we're going to be outside a lot, so I don't want anything that's too much, but very excited to play with some new makeup. There's nothing more relaxing than like going on a trip, taking a shower in a hotel, and just play with makeup and get ready to go out and stuff. It's just like so much fun. My last product for today's haul was sent over from Huda Beauty. We have a new shade for the Easy Bake, and this one is Cherry Peach. So it is cherry blossom cake and peach pie together. This is so beautiful. It is the powder that I used today, and it looks flawless when I set it. So you have the both shades here, and when you open it, what I like about it is you can choose to use only one shade, like so, or you can bring it this way and mix both shades into one custom shade. So really nice. It gave me just the right amount of brightening that I needed, and it also gave me that peachy color to match my skin tone. So it's not too much. It doesn't look too light under the eyes or ashy, which can happen to me with a lot of powders. I am loving this, and they do have 2 shade options to choose from. So that brings me to the end of my haul today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Sorry that I was all over the place. I had a few more videos to film, but I honestly think that I have too much going on today. So I will be back to filming probably on Tuesday of next week when I come back. This mama of 3 is going to log off, and I'm going to get to packing and organizing, and we will be heading out tomorrow very early in the morning. So with that said, thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I am so excited to come back and give you guys reviews on these products and create some looks and all of that. I cannot wait, but I just wanted to share the haul. So that's going to be it from me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't. Oh, wait. I forgot I had to give you guys a quick update before I forget. The 2 perfumes are a no-go, unfortunately. So they are probably going to be on my Mercari when I come back. I got those travel sizes so excited, thinking that I was going to find like a new fragrance that I could maybe use during the trip. But the Dolce & Gabbana, very disappointed in that. It's missing something. Like, there's something about it I really don't like. It's almost as if a floral was milky, but not in a good way. I don't enjoy it too much. I don't know, there's something about it that I like, and then there's something about it that I don't like. The Jimmy Choo one, it was bothering me the entire time that I was waiting for my girls to get out of school. I don't like it. It started off so beautiful. I was so excited for it. And when I was in the car, I was just like, one of these perfumes is really bothering the hell out of me right now. And it was the Jimmy Choo one because I can pick this one up, like, it's on my hand, I'm driving, and I can smell it. And then this one is just, I don't know. I was expecting something totally different. So I just wanted to make sure that I gave you guys the update before you guys thought that I was really in love with it. And then I had to come back and let you guys know that I didn't like it. So I'm letting you guys know here that I don't think they're going to work out. The dry down is not for me. That's going to be it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video.